You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this Indian dish. It's a curry, essentially. If you want to learn more names from Indian cuisine, make sure to stay tuned. We've got tons more coming up at the end of the video. Stay tuned to the channel. Locally, in India, Vindaloo. Vindaloo. The stress goes on the second syllable, so it's not Vindaloo. Vindaloo. And it normally has a da sound, okay? A da sound, not quite a duh sound. Some people in English may say it as Vindaloo or Vindaloo. No, Vindaloo. Vindaloo. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.